Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to use Microsoft Authenticator app. First of all, open up the Authenticator app. When you get into its app, you will be able to add your account in here. Now from here, you can already have the backup. Then you can restore your account. After that, tap on Menu from the top left corner. Then from here, tap on the Settings option from here. From Settings, you will find the Usage Data option in here. You can also find the Autofill options in here. Just like this, Sync Account, how to turn on Autofill, Import, Export Password. Then get back to the home page of the Authenticator and tap on the Passwords icon from the bottom bar. Securely store and automatically fill your passwords and other autofill info on apps and sites. The info you store will be synced to your personal account. You can also add the address information from here. And then, click on the Verified IDs option from the bottom right corner. You can accept a verified ID for more control of your identity. Some websites and organizations now offer verified IDs. They make account setup simpler and safer, while giving you more visibility and control over your personal data. A website typically offers a verified ID through a QR code. Scan the code to get started. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.